Welcome back to Arhaam Aviation. In today's video, I'm going to give you a brief look about the CAD assembly of my aircraft. So in this way, you're going to get a know-how of the components that we are going to manufacture, especially the components of the wing, because that's from where we are going to start. So let's begin. Okay, so first we are going to open the SolidWorks workspace. I already told you in my first video that for the designing this CAD assembly we have used SolidWorks workspace because it is very easy to use and user friendly. Okay, so now open master assembly. So this is the CAD assembly of our aircraft. As you can see, it's pretty much different from the assembly that I showed you in my first video. The technical specification of this aircraft are all the same. The dimensional parameters, everything is same as the aircraft I showed you in my first video. Only I have made few changes in the fuselage and the aerodynamics of the fuselage. The rest is all same. The parameters of the wing, tail, horizontal and vertical tail, everything is same. Only few changes in the fuselage. You can see it's not a complete assembly because I'm working on this assembly right now, and we will be working on this CAD assembly in parallel to the manufacturing. And because I do not have much time right now to complete this assembly, so we will be working on it in parallel with manufacturing. Right now our focus is wing, because wing is the assembly from where we are going to start. So let me hide other assemblies. So this is the CAD of wing. This is a semi-monocoque structure. That means skeleton of the wings comprising of ribs and spar that will be covered by the skin. And so you can see we have 8 spar in one wing with 3 spars, 8 ribs in one wing and 3 spars. The skeleton will be carrying all the flight loads of our aircraft. I can also make my skin transparent. So this will give you a better look. So what we're going to do is that first we'll start with manufacturing ribs first of one wing. Then once we have completed the ribs of one wing, then we'll move towards the spar of that wing. So and then we will assemble it. So once we have assemble the skeleton of one wing, then we will move towards preparing the skeleton of the other wing. We will not prepare the skin of the wing right now in this stage of manufacturing, because once we have manufactured the skin and assemble it, we will not have enough workspace for the controls and the avionics, for installation of controls and avionics. So we will cover the skin of the wing in the later stages of manufacturing. So right now we will only cover the skeleton of the wing. And how we are going to do it, a little bit about that as well. What we are going to do is that we will use a composite sandwich structure, and that means we will take about an inch thick of pink foam, and we will sandwich it between glass fiber layers from all sides. So it will give you a highly rigid and high strength composite sandwich structure. We will use this structure for all the ribs and the spars, and not only spars, we will use this structure for all the structural members of our wing, whether it is frames or long rods, any members, we will use the same material for manufacturing. So that's how we are going to manufacture the ribs and these spars. The detailed manufacturing will be covered in the next video. This video was only about briefing you about the CAD assembly of my aircraft. So I think you guys have got quite a good idea of the CAD assembly and the structural members of wing especially. So I think that will be it for this briefing of CAD assembly. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you guys have any kind of question regarding the CAD assembly or anything in general, you can leave that question in the comment section. I will try to cover it in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned till my next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.